Dear Kaizer Chiefs, I am writing this letter to you. My heart is more than broken. You have turned my heart into a man's meat. This can no longer be fixed. I fell in love with you many years ago. You were very cute, you were very charming, winning cups and beating so many teams. I gave you a chance. You gave me hope that you were the right one for me. It all started during the Nedbank Cup when you cheated me against TX Galaxy. My heart was very broken. I became a laughing stock because of you, my love. I forgave you and I gave you a chance because I thought you were gonna change. Again, you broke my heart when you cheated against Baroka. I was already wearing a t-shirt written 2020 PSL winners. I had to burn the t-shirt. I also had to hide in my room for a week because of how you disappointed me against Baroka when you failed to win the league. I also gave you another chance. My heart is very broken. And now it's worse than before. So I have taken this decision that can you please give me some space? In other words, can we take a break? Maybe I will come back to you when you are serious about me. Yours truly,